the ticket of Shiny. True! Yes! Yes! True! It's on March 19, 2013. Yes!
You go there!
Yes! I'll give you the ticket tomorrow. I'll give you the ticket tomorrow.
Iiyak.
It's true! It's 10,000! Even One Direction! Yes! Because I told my brother you're addicted to Shiny. So I bought you some ticket. I bought you some ticket! You don't want, okay. It's on March 19. It starts at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 8. My God. 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. There. It starts at 1 p.m. to 8 p.m.
No.
I'll give you. It's two tickets. One for you and one for me, said my brother. Baby, ha? Ouch, 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 ouch. Really? Yes! Ihahatid tayo doon ni Kuya. Tapos then we'll stay at our condominium.
Oh, I'm not informed.
It's surprise, right? It's surprise. My brother searched for concerts, and then I saw Shiny. Morning, ma'am. Then I saw Shiny concert on March 19, 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. My brother bought it for you, for us too. I'll give it to you tomorrow.